your face. Bend your face.
I'm sorry. No.
You won't do shit. Say that shit in my face now. I'll smack the fuck out of you, nigga. Say that shit right now then. Say it.
These are times streamers lost it on their cameramen. First up is Kai Cenat, who was crashing out on his cameraman and literally threw him on this table.
Trying to slam you. Hey, leave go, my boy. Find this goddamn table right here, my boy. Find this goddamn table. Come here, my boy. No. Put the camera down. Put the camera down, my boy. Put the camera down, my boy. No. Put it down right there. Yeah. Put it down. Yeah. Stay right there. Yeah. Come here.
Oh, stop.
Come here. No, wait. Come here. Stop. You didn't get the shot. No, come here. Come here. No, come here. Come here. You didn't get the goddamn shot.
So here they were obviously joking around, but in this next one, Kai started getting really emotional about what his cameraman did.
My cameraman, Chris, the nigga helped me with mad of my streams, mad of my tech shit, mad of my shit. Apparently, nigga, it's not even apparent. It's here clear as fucking day. In 2021, just got caught talking to a minor who was 17 years old. And it's just fucking annoying when shit happen. And shit come my fucking name every time, bro. I get connected in situations. Come relax, bro. Apparently in 2021, this nigga was caught talking to somebody that's not the age of consent. It gets bad because she lied about her age, said she was 19. She lied about her age. She ended up saying her age, said she was 17. Right at that moment, you're supposed to stop texting. Right at that moment, you're supposed to drop all conversation. You're not supposed to engage in any conversation, not on a different type of, like, you're not supposed to it's just not right to do. And none of this is fucking, you can't have no excuse for it. You can't have nothing, you can't have no say so. There's nothing to back this up. There's nothing in a positive way to do this. When I seen this shit the internet, I just woke up, I seen this shit the internet, I looked at it, first thing I did was say, hey, let me sit down and let me get down to the bottom of this to completely confirm everything. I reached out to the person who went online and did all that other shit. I reached out to her and shit, and she basically she showed me every single thing. It's some messages that looks fucking crazy, bro. You feel me? I'm not sugarcoating shit. This shit look fucking crazy, bro. And this shit fucked me up the whole day, gang. Like the whole fucking day. I have a whole vision, like how I want. I need to stop crying and shit. Like I'm over here crying and shit. Somebody who helped me start my whole shit.
In this next one, a streamer started crashing out on Lacy's cameraman after they walked in front of his stream without saying anything.
First dude.
Hey, we live right now. You do our camera.
Damn.
That's how they get punched.
Damn.
They gonna slap you and slap him.
Damn. Both of them.
I'm gonna slap both of y'all. Well, they feel like I slap him and Lacy.
Nah.
Yo, tell me don't do our shit again.
Word
My
two.
man streaming, he getting W content.
Appreciate you. I'm showing again.
I got your back. I got your back.
He's W man. I'm gonna lie.
Don't let these run over you.
Next up is Neon, who was on the phone with his girlfriend at the time when he revealed to the chat that him, his girlfriend, and his cameraman shared a bed.
Have you been fine alone or no? Because I actually feel kind of bad, but you know, I got to think of myself first in life.
I mean, I wish I was like doing stuff with you, but we can do it later. It's fine.
Okay, chat. Did you know did you know Sam used to be a DoorDash driver, chat?
Oh my god, I'm gonna kill you.
All right, bye. Chat. By the way, is it weird that me, the cameraman, and Sam shared a bed last night or no?
I don't think it's weird. I just feel like you shouldn't have said that, but I don't think it's weird.
Should I just say what happened? Wait, are you Sam?
I'm not They did say that to me. They DM'd me and said that. I didn't answer though.
No, chat. It wasn't weird because she was in the middle. So how is that weird? What are you saying, bro?
She was like closer than me, not me.
Yeah.
Next one is about Kai Cenat's cameraman who went to the stores and bought a Gucci belt with Kai's card, and he got really mad.
Gucci?
The Gucci on the belt. Damn, CB.
You know you bought this for me, right?
Damn, huh?
Hmm?
What?
What?
Who got you that belt? Me?
Yeah, you told me to go like pick out a fit.
No, the fuck I didn't.
Yeah, you did. You told me to go.
No, the fuck I did not.
You told me to go pick out a fit, so I
no, the fuck I did not.
I thought you wanted me to.
No, the fuck I did not, bro.
Bro, like
you took my card?
Yeah.
The business one?
Yeah.
I gotta smack you.
It's a business.
I have to, bro.
No, please.
I have to fuck smack you.
Why?
I'm gonna give you one smack.
All right, just one.
Yeah, I know. I already gave it to you. I'm gonna give you that one.
Next streamer and her camera girl started being very rude to this Uber driver, and when they got out of the vehicle, the camera girl took and broke the driver's phone.
That's where we're going.
That's not where you were, though.
Right, you picked us up from the storage. Right.
That's not where we're going. No. Okay, now I'm sorry.
I'm not gonna argue with you.
It's okay.
Where you just picked us up was not
I'm
her
not
house.
gonna argue with you.
I'm recording this. We're gonna show this to Uber.
Come touch me though, because I got a taser. So you want to get violent? Because we could get violent right now. Get my shit out your trunk. Get my shit out your trunk and don't drop shit either. Because I'll get real violent. Get my shit out your trunk and put it on the sidewalk. Since you want to get violent, let me know. Because she's recording all of this. Now we've getting. See, I knew that was acting crazy. That's what the fuck I was pissed off earlier. What? That was public storage. How do we leave your house? Are you calling my
Here's what we do.
ride so I can get my money. Here's what
Go.
we're doing. You're going to cancel the ride right now.
So here, literally, the camera girl destroyed the driver's phone, and you won't believe what happened next.
I broke that phone. Let's go.
No, f that. I'm reporting this. That's crazy. This dude just back up because he.
No, I want him to hit us.
You're not touching my phone. That's a
I
federal
want my
crime.
phone.
Where is it, old man? Do you have Alzheimer's? Are you okay in the head? Are you okay in the head? Did you drop it?
Literally losing his mind. Now he lost. Whose phone is this? Is this your phone?
Do you have dementia?
Next up is Speed, who got really mad at his cameraman for stream sniping him in Fortnite.
Bro, this Did you just stream snipe me? Did you just stream snipe me? Still got it.
Again, we have Kai Cenat, who got really mad at his cameraman for filming a basketball shot, which was a floater, and then they went to his room to talk.
Take it. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I just hit all backboard, bro. Oh my God! Backboard. Oh my gosh! CB, it was all your fault.
Is the light?
Yes, dumbass!
You told me to turn it. I would have just turned it off.
Put the camera down. Put the camera down, bro, boy. Don't you ever in your life get me shooting a basketball like that. Bring your face. Bring your face.
I'm sorry. No.
Don't you ever do that again. Pick the camera up, my boy.
Next up is Deshe from Streamer University when he got in a really bad argument in a big fight with another streamer and his cameraman.
Look at my son. Deshe, I'm still fucking this nigga up. Look at my son. Look at my son. Ugly ass bitch. That fucking dumb guy. What you gonna do now?
Say that to my face.
Yeah.
Say that to my face. Say that to my face.
Oh, chill. I don't give a fuck about crack.
What do you do, boy?
Chill.
You won't do shit. Say that shit to my face and I'll smack the fuck out of you, nigga. I'll smack the fuck out of you, nigga. Not even no troll shit. I'll smack the fuck out you, nigga. Shut up, nigga. Say that shit to my face, I'll smack. Say that shit right now, then. Say it. Yeah, just shut the fuck up, nigga. That ass. I'm not playing with that shit, nigga. On that internet shit. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm playing around. You wanna get real, we can get real. Then shut up. Nigga, I'm playing with this shit. Stop playing, nigga. That ass.
Here again, we have Kai, who got really heated with his cameraman and even lead to them fight.
Come on, man. You think I'm gonna rat you out, gang?
I was right there. What do you mean?
Bro, I didn't. No, I did not. Chat, did I do it or no? No, I did not. Come on, bro. Bro, he shot you though. That's crazy. Nick, me would have shot him back.
Yeah, I mean, are you instigating right now?
Nah, I'm just saying.
I'll put the camera down.
You you mean? Put the camera down. Nigga.
Not towards you.
No, put the camera down. Fight me, nigga. Nah, fuck you, nigga. So put the cam down. We get this popping in it right now, nigga. The fuck is going on? Want me to beat your ass in front of all these people?
Talking about that.
Do you want me to beat your ass in front of oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Nigga, see me strong. Shit. Nigga, strong. Oh, fuck.
Now this one is literally insane because Lacy ended firing his cameraman after he went on his phone and realized the cameraman was calling his girlfriend.
Let me see your phone.
What? 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 Why are you? What's wrong with that? What?
Drew, I'm not doing this.
What?
I'm not doing this again.
Well, I just had to make a call.
Are we really gonna do this again?
We're running it back? I was just making a call.
I'll stop it before it happens this time.
Yo.
Nah, that's weird. Oh God, it's weird.
How's that weird?
Why does every cameraman I have do this to me? Oh my God.
We're friends.
Let me see your phone.
Why?
Let me see your phone.
Why do you want to see my phone?
I'll call you.
Why do you want to see my phone? Wait, what are you doing on my phone?
Give me your phone.
What do you want to see? I'll show you. I'll show you it. I'll show you. What do you want to see?
Give me your phone.
What,
you can see
what
what
are you
going
to do?
Go back to your call logs.
Okay. What are you doing?
2 minutes, huh?
Yeah, 2-minute phone call. That's not crazy.
Okay, about what?
It was just a phone call.
About what?
I don't ask you about your phone calls.
About what?
I don't ask you about your phone call.
You're fired.
What do you not fired?
I'm looking for a new cameraman.
I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right here.
So you want me?
Wait a second, hold on. Aren't you the one who gave me her number? You cuck?
No, now you're gonna call me a cuck. Hey, you think I'm trolling?
What would you be mad about?
For last, we have Kai Cenat, where he got really mad at his cameraman for having Siri while streaming.
Damn.
I didn't understand that.
I know your ass don't have Siri on while you're recording, CB. Nah, come on. No. Put the cam down. Put the cam down.
This is your phone.
Put the cam. That's not my phone. Put the cam down. Put the cam down. Put the cam down. Put the cam down, bro. I know your ass ain't just do that shit, bro. Come on, my boy. Come on. You know better than that.